What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Charting Crypto. Today we're on corner XCN. Man, there's blood in the streets. All coins are down pretty big today, including XCN, which is down 6.71% today at 2.8 cents. So we have a market cap of 862 million. So we dropped back below that $1 billion market cap. That is going to be a very critical area of support that we need to maintain once we flip back bullish here. So the volume is actually up today. The market cap's down today. The all-time high on this coin was last bull run at 18 cents. I still think it's easily obtainable to overshoot that and go. I think we said like a dollar this bull run, if I remember correctly. And the all-time low was a year ago. If you were about a year ago, you'd be up 388x on your investment. Insane. So XCN, guys, we might be at a very good DCAing opportunity. We're going to go over it in the charts today, but if you're interested in XCN, you can pick it up on several different exchanges. Here's a list of them here, followed by 7 different pages down here. So if you want it, you can find it somewhere. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on XCN. All right, everybody, let's get into XCN here. This did not play out how we expected, but nonetheless, indicators are still reset. We had the pennant, which was forming very, very nicely, but you can see news outweighs, technical analysis. We can kind of move the goalpost a little bit for this. So that's exactly what we're going to do here. We still are consolidating within the pennant if we go off the wicks. Indicators on XCN still are pretty reset, guys. I know we're down a little bit today, but I really wouldn't be too concerned about it. I mean, the 4-hour chart, we're pretty reset here on the MACD. MACD's looking good, starting to roll back over bullish. The RSI is not overbought whatsoever. We're down here at about 41. I think I talked about it before. That's an area of support for XCN on the RSI. If we draw a horizontal line around this general area, you can see there are several different times that we've bounced around this general RSI level around 41. And then the next lowest one is right down here at about 535. So this is a general area where we bounce right here. So we're pretty near the bottom, which means if we do go down, it's not going to be that much further from where we're currently at. The great part is WTX is reset as well, guys. Look at that. We're pretty much reset right there. I wouldn't be waiting for a buy signal on the 4-hour time frame. I think the day chart's going to give us a little bit more detail on what to expect for the coin. Now, if we look at the stock RSI, this is the big one, guys. We had the fake out. We talked about it. We had the fake out. We had the blue over the orange, then it crashed again. Great part is, look at where we're at right now, guys. We're at 3.31 right now on the stock RSI. Now, yes, we have gone down to 0 to negative, or to 0 to 0.54 before, but you know what that means? We're pretty close to that, which means if we do happen to see a little bit more downwards movement, we don't have that much more to go till we're at rock bottom. So I wouldn't be expecting any large capitulations on XCN for the time being. If anything, the bottom is pretty much in like 2.5. I think 2.5 would be a great buying opportunity, and as you can see, we kind of wicked down to 2.4 right here for the continuation. So that's kind of what I'd be looking for right there on the 4-hour time frame. Let's actually draw a short-term fib so we can see our support and resistance. Short-term fib from the high to the low, you can see we actually wicked down to the 618 right here at about that 2.425 area. So that might be the area that we might hard candle to, guys. So we're at 2.7 right now. I wouldn't be surprised at all if we came down here to the 618 one more time, which gives us like a 2.5 cents entry on XCN, which in my personal opinion wouldn't be a bad entry whatsoever, especially with the way that the indicators are looking, because they're getting ready to rock and roll. Like I mentioned, I do think we're in a very similar situation as this right here. It's just we're seeing a larger retracement, because it's more expanded right here. So consolidation, independent to a bullish movement to the upside. Now, if we look at the day chart here, this is going to give us a little bit more information on the general consensus. Now, this is kind of crazy to me. Like, we talked about this several times. I was calling a pullback for XCN for a while, and I saw the comments, guys, and I just want to let you know I forgive you. You guys, I tell you, man, the comments are rough as a YouTuber. But for real, we actually wicked down in the 786 here at about that 2225 area.